So guys, we are back here for part 2 of the construction update. Not a lot is happening today really. Obviously the coaster was right, let's have a look. So of course here's the roundup, look, all folded up. You're getting on that tomorrow.
I'm not getting on the roundup, no way am I. Hell no.
Look at it, it's good, it's a nice fair. I do think this year, this year's going to be the year.
Yeah, so do I.
I could tell, like... Hotel Terror, that's further down. We're going to just like have a walk around. Look how close you can get up to that. Look, see, right? Look, you stand up in the cages and it's like, you know, the axes on Zodiac, it's like that. And this is what spins it round, right?
Hey, you remember that? It's fucking chain!
Here we go, Master Blaster. I'm genuinely looking forward to this. I've heard some good things about this year, I have. I've heard it's been sped up a bit.
I don't know.
Apparently, I think it's because he did a bit of work on it, I think.
Can you remember that though?
Yeah, like, look at that. Master Blaster. Look, they must have unfolded it and then they must have put it up. They must have put it up like that last night, must have. No, it wasn't even put up last night. They must have done that this morning because I came down at lunchtime and that was like that. So they must have unfolded it this morning. Yeah, look. Yeah, Ryan, secure all loose items.
£1.50.
Yep, but 50p off a pound for Master Blaster.
Pound for Master Blaster.
I'm looking forward to this. Trying to think what that is. I think that's I think that's the little cars ride. What else we got? We got the Dodgers there. 2 tokens.
2 tokens.
Yeah, we got. Hey, right, you got the mini paratrooper here. This was brand new at. Trying to think where was it? Southampton, not Common, Mayfield Park, I think. Yeah, that you probably noticed, right? There's actually quite a lot that's been moved around this year.
Yeah.
Like normally you have all. No, that's the ghost train is actually up there.
Oh, what's the ghost train?
That was all folded up. Literally. Wait, look, that was all. No joke, that was all folded up yesterday. It was. It was completely folded.
Hey, now, that does not look bad at all.
That looks fucking up.
That looks really good.
So guys, here's the twister. There we are, look. We got the twist there. That's Charles Cole. Literally, I came here earlier and this was just slightly folded. So yeah, that's a good twist actually. That is a good. I think if you want a good one.
Sizzler.
Yeah, you need to get on the one that I'm trying to think. I think it's William Cole. I think that's the one.
There's the sizzler. Woohoo!
Look, you got the Dodgems there. So guys, that's the end of this construction update. There's not a lot here to film. Honestly, there's not a lot here to film because everything is basically set up apart from like 2 things, the juvenile and the roundup. But we will be back down here tomorrow. Yeah, we're going to be back down here tomorrow to have a look at the roundup. Like, comment and subscribe. See you in part 3 tomorrow. Peace.